Unveiling AI, the promise, the peril. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a figment of sci-fi fantasies. It's present, evolving and reshaping our world. AI is a computer system capable of mimicking human intelligence, learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. But why are people saying AI is dangerous? The answer lies not within AI itself, but how it's managed and used. Unregulated AI could lead to unemployment, as machines outperform humans. Privacy concerns arise with AI's ability to collect and analyze vast data. Exaggerated AI capabilities can lead to unrealistic expectations and eventual disappointment. Lastly, the potential for AI in warfare is a terrifying prospect. However, the key to navigating AI's future is not fear, but understanding. By embracing AI responsibly, we can harness its potential for good.